Is a 20% down payment mandatory? Is a 20% down payment required when buying a home? Hey everybody, welcome to my channel, Living in Cedar Park and Leander, Texas. I'm Dan Forbes, a local real estate broker. And that's the topic of today's exciting video. And I want to share some great news with you if you're thinking about buying a home. Look, if you want to know everything there is to know about living, working, and playing here in Cedar Park and Leander, Texas, please, before you leave today, do me a big favor, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell so that you'll be notified every week when a new video is posted. I literally get calls and texts and emails almost every single day from people that are moving or relocating here. So if you're thinking at all about Cedar Park, Leander, Liberty Hill, Pflugerville, Round Rock, Georgetown, North Austin, any of the North Austin area, remember that I'm here to help you and I've got your back. But let's get into today's topic right now. So is a 20% down payment really required when it comes to buying a home in today's real estate market? You know, the 20% down payment myth is one of the things that stops a lot of people from buying a home. With home prices going up like they have been, especially here in the Austin area, a lot of buyers, especially first-time home buyers, are feeling priced out of the market. I mean, it's difficult to save for a down payment and closing costs and moving expenses. And a lot of people have been wondering, you know, if they're going to get a piece of the what's been called the American dream or not for so long. But do you know that you can go all the way back to 2005 before you would find that a 20% down payment was the median down payment at that time. But a lot of things have changed. There's a lot of different financing options today. And as a matter of fact, the median down payment, the average down payment today is 12%. And most people put about 7% down, but not even that is required. So there are a lot of options when it comes to down payments. So for example, did you know that with conventional financing, you can put as little as 3% down? You may qualify to put 5% down or 10% down. Now, when you do put 20% down with your loan, you're not going to have to pay for private mortgage insurance. But that's not really that expensive anyway, and it does drop off after a period of time. So, you know, don't be afraid about that if you only have, you know, 3 or 5% that you could put down on a home purchase. And then there are other programs that are available for home buyers. There is the VA loan if you are a veteran or active in service today, which requires only a 0% down. I think most everybody could afford that, right? There are some areas that you can get a USDA loan, USDA, which also is 0% down. Now those types of programs are geographically oriented. So it has to be in an area that has been mapped out for approval. Those used to be very rural areas, but not so much anymore. And we do have those here in the Austin area. So it's very possible that you could put 0 down and be able to get into a home today. So let's look at you know, what is going on as far as by age groups and how much people are putting down today. So if you take a look at this chart right now on your screen, you're going to see something interesting. The median percent down payment for all buyers right now is 12%. Those that are 20 to 30-year-olds, it's 6%. 31 to 40-year-olds, it's 10%. 41 to 55-year-olds, it's 13%. 55 to 65, it's 18%. 66 to 74-year-olds is 23%. And 74 to 95-year-olds is 21%. Well, I mean, it makes sense that the older a person is, probably the more financial resources that they have available. So you'll see people in those higher age brackets are putting down more when it comes to buy a home, as opposed to those that are younger and are new to their careers and are going through, marriages and having children and possibly career changes. Not as much financial resources at that age, so they are typically putting less down. But you need to know what your options are. And that's why I want to bring you this message today. Look, I'm a real estate broker. I've been doing this for over 18 years. I've helped hundreds and hundreds of buyers buy homes and hundreds of sellers sell homes. And so, I myself have a lot of a wealth of knowledge that I can share with the clients that I'm working with. But I also recommend that people talk to an experienced mortgage broker. Now, by that, I don't mean the local loan officer down at the bank that you do banking with, because they may not have very much experience at all. But as a real estate broker, I know some of the best mortgage brokers here in the Austin area, and I'm happy to introduce you to some that can provide you with the very best advice that can help you determine what your purchasing power is, that is, how much home can you afford, that can help you get pre-qualified and produce a pre-qualification letter that you can submit with any offer, and help you know up front exactly what it's going to cost you to get into a home. So that includes the down payment, that includes the closing cost, and also you will know exactly what your home payment is going to be. And so if you're thinking about buying a home, you need all of that information. So consider me your resource. Feel free to reach out. I'm happy to be of help. So if you're thinking at all about moving to the Austin area, you've got to do something. Look down in the description below and you can see how that you can call me, you can text me, you can send me an email. Heck, I don't care, send me that carrier pigeon. And remember, I've got your back when it comes to all things real estate. And right now you're seeing some other videos from my channel pop up. So if you want to know everything there is to know about living here and working here and playing here and owning real estate here, just explore my channel and feel free to reach out when you're ready. Thanks so much.